Finding the courage to change, a spiritual awakening. In 12-step programs, the 12th step begins with this promise. Having had a spiritual awakening is the result of these steps. This is an amazing statement. Offered here is a path to a spiritual awakening that has nothing at all to do with the practice of religion. It is offered, no, it is guaranteed, to all who work the steps. It is possible for everyone to find this spiritual awakening. It doesn't matter what beliefs or religious background I start with. I can discover my own spiritual path by working the steps. Those of us who have stumbled upon the 12 steps are the lucky ones. Our life experience has provided the desire for a better life. If we choose to work the steps, every aspect of our lives will change for the better. I can see that the 12 steps work. I listen to the stories of my fellow travelers. I can hardly believe how different their lives are from where they started. I'm hungry to discover their secret. The 12 steps are like a treasure map. It's not a quick fix. Only I have the power to change myself. I must become willing to make changes, sometimes big changes, in my thoughts, feelings, attitudes, and beliefs. I have to discover for myself the path that leads to my personal spiritual awakening. I am learning to be like a sunflower and remind myself to always follow the light from my higher power. When I follow the guidance that I receive from Source, then all is well. I'm on the path to a spiritual awakening.